Welcome to this video on the Android 17 update. Today, we're exploring how this new intelligence system is designed to mitigate display flicker and reduce eye strain on the Galaxy S26 Ultra. Brilliant displays can often lead to eye fatigue. The Galaxy S26 Ultra's high-performance screen may cause micro-flickers and blinding brightness, which can strain your eyes during extended use. Android 17 introduces a layered defense system to help mitigate this strain. It focuses on three key areas: rendering stability, visual adaptation, and cognitive rest to ensure a more comfortable experience. To stop screen flicker, Android 17 enforces strict memory limits and utilizes generational garbage collection. Combined with lock-free message queues, the system processes code smoothly to prevent dropped frames and stutter. Eclipse of Video adapts HDR content to your environment. By using the SMPTE Street 2094-50 standard, the system reads ambient light levels to prevent sudden, jarring screen glare in varying lighting conditions. Android 17 also provides total dark mode control. It enforces a universal dark theme and auto-themes all app icons, effectively removing blinding white flashes from your screen. With Material 3 Expressive, the OS uses physics-based animations to soften visual transitions. This approach reduces jarring movements and uses background blur to eliminate sharp visual noise. To help break the cycle of doom scrolling, the pause point feature detects distracting app usage. It enforces a brief 10-second wait and guides you through a calming breathing exercise. This display comfort matrix summarizes how the Android 17 system improves upon legacy OS configurations by addressing stutter, glare, brightness, and screen time habits. App bubbles are designed to keep your focus small. By multitasking in compact windows, you can avoid disruptive whole-screen flashes during your daily tasks. Gemini handles much of the work invisibly in the background, such as booking flights or filling out forms. This automation helps you stare at the screen less and focus on what matters. Protect your users and enhance your display experience by upgrading your Galaxy S26 Ultra to Android 17 today.